Before we start, please take a moment to give this video a like, subscribe to Blast World Mysteries, and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss these great stories.
Lost kingdom that crushed King Midas identified in Turkey. Archaeologists have made an amazing discovery in the south of Turkey. While investigating an area rich in archaeological remains, they believe that they have found a formerly lost city and kingdom. This was once the capital of a powerful state that is believed to have defeated the semi-legendary King Midas. The dramatic discovery was made by the Oriental Institute, OI, from Chicago as part of the Konya Regional Archaeological Project, CRASP. This is an interdisciplinary research program that was investigating the Konya Plain and had collected many pottery shards from over 3 millennia. A great many important archaeological sites have been found in the area in the last century. According to the CRASP website, the aim was to survey the neglected eastern region of the plain within the Qumran and Karate districts, defined mostly by marginal steppe and highland landscapes. Luvian inscription. Scholars and students from the OI were working with colleagues from Britain and Turkey in an area known as Turkmen Karahayuk. Then a local farmer informed them that he had come across a big rock that was inscribed with some mysterious symbols. He had found it while maintaining an irrigation channel. The team straight away followed the farmer to the enigmatic stone, and some of the team examined the stone in the water. PHYS.org quotes Assistant Professor James Osborne of the OI as stating that right away it was clear it was ancient, and we recognized the script. It was written in Luvian, the language used in the Bronze and Iron Ages in the area. The Luvian people are often associated with the Sea people, who are often blamed for the late Bronze Age collapse in the Levant. Professor Osborne immediately recognized one of the hieroglyphics as a sign for king/monarch. The farmer helped to pull the massive stone out of the water in the irrigation channel with his tractor. Then it was transported to a local museum, where it was cleaned and documented. The Luvian language was an Indo-European language, and its hieroglyphics were widely used in ancient Anatolia. The script is read alternating between right to left and left to right, according to Heritage Daily. Signs of a Lost Kingdom. Professor Osborne and his colleagues are not experts on the extinct Luvian language, but fortunately they could contact 2 of the foremost experts in the language, who both work at the University of Chicago. They translated the symbols, and the stele read that it was erected by King Hardapu and named a city called Turkmen Karahayuk, which was assumed to be his capital city. A linguistic analyst of the symbols indicates that it dates from the 8th century BC. The hieroglyphics reveal that the king had conquered a neighboring Muska kingdom. They read that the storm gods delivered the opposing kings to his majesty, reports Heritage Daily. Based on the ancient resources, Muska has been identified with the kingdom of Phrygia, famous for its semi-mythical king, Midas. King Midas. According to Greek myths, Midas had the gift to turn anything he touched into gold. This made him rich, but he could not eat anything as all his food became the precious metal. Another legend has it that Apollo gave Midas ass ears when the king had the temerity to say that he did not like the god's music. There are known to have been 3 kings of Phrygia with that name. This kingdom was once very powerful and waged war against the Assyrians and others. It is believed that it was overthrown by invaders in the 8th century BC. There are several Phrygian monuments in Yazilikaya, Turkey, that are associated with Midas. Osborne and his colleagues continued to investigate the site, and they found the remains of the city that was once 300 acres in area. This urban capital was probably the capital of a kingdom whose name is not yet known. Osborne told the Heritage Daily, "In a flash, we had profound new information on the Bronze Age, Middle East. A long-standing mystery." The discovery of the stele and the lost city are helping researchers to solve a long-standing mystery. About 7 miles, 10 kilometers, away, a hieroglyphic was discovered near a dormant volcano. It refers to King Hardapu and a mysterious kingdom. This is self-evidently connected to the stele found in the irrigation canal. It also provides strong evidence for the existence of a kingdom in the area in the Bronze Age. However, nothing else is known about the king and his state. The OI plans to investigate the area further. They're going to investigate a mound that appears to be very promising. Osborne told Heritage Daily that inside the mound are going to be palaces, monuments, houses. This stele was a marvelous, incredible lucky find, but it's just the beginning. The OI and the other institutions hope to piece together the history of the lost Luvian kingdom and to find out more about its role in the destruction of Midas and Phrygia.